Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AutoCut feature on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on Capcut. But wait. Okay, I'm going to select new project, and then I'm going to import my video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to add this video to my project, and I'm going to show you how we can use AutoCut feature. So basically guys, we can use the AutoCut feature to remove the background of our video. You can click on your video until your video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active, and then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find a remove background. Okay, and this is the AutoCut feature guys. We can use it to remove the background of our video. Just tap on that. But unfortunately, now this feature is just for premium user. So we need to subscribe to Capcut if we want to get this feature. If we want to use this feature to remove the background of our video. But don't worry guys, if you are not a premium user, you can still remove the background of your video using the custom removal. Wait, I'm going to turn off the AutoCut feature, and then I'm going to show you how we can use this custom removal to remove the background of our video. Okay, we can use the brush. You can tap on the brush, and then you can draw on the object you want to keep like this. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, guys. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on the check mark. And now the background of this video is being removed. And you can monitor the process right here. It's still processing. And you just need to wait for it. Okay, then you can continue the editing on Capcut. Okay, that's easy, right? Just go to the remove background and you will get auto removal and custom removal right here to remove the background of your video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use AutoCut feature on Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!